You're going to have to clean the bathroom sooner or later, unless, of course, you live in a dorm room. You don't have to worry about it. But here's a couple tricks that'll make it a little easier. This is an acrylic shower, and what I did, you can see the difference here between the before and the after. I cleaned all this lower part of the shower off, first of all. Then I used a car wax, paste wax, and I applied it all over this area. And then what happens is when you take a shower and the water hits it, it's going to run right on down, and that means the soap scum just won't pile up like you see up on this upper part of it. The same goes for a shower door. Now, look at how we have the before and after of this. I've already cleaned this one side here, and obviously this side's not clean. And then what I did is I sprayed a little rain repellent on it. This material is great for windshields, and you're able to spray that on it, and then you buff it down. And then when water hits it, when you're taking a shower, it's going to run right down versus this, that it stays put and that soap scum will stay with it. This really needs a little more work to make it look nice. The thing is, you don't like this stuff, so why not do it as little as you have to by trying a few of these tricks?